anybody's listening, here goes.
What exactly are you afraid of? Losing? Or losing your brother?
So what, you just willing to sacrifice yourself? Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah, you're damn right I am.
Yeah, well, that's not gonna happen, not as long as I'm around.
You finish this trial, you're dead, Sam. Last time I wanted to be normal. This time, I know I'm a freak. So? I remember thinking, I could never go on a quest like that. Because I'm not clean. I mean, I was just a little kid. You think maybe I knew? I mean, deep down, that I had demon blood in me, and about the evil of it, and that I wasn't pure. I can't do it without you. You can barely do it with me. I mean, you think I screw up everything I try. You think I need a chaperone, remember?
If hunting this demon means you getting yourself killed, then I hope we never find the damn thing.
For what it's worth, I got your back. Yeah, I know.
Pick one.
Sam, you want to know what I confessed in there? My greatest sin was how many times I let you down. I can't do that again. Sam.
What happens when you've decided I can't be trusted again? I mean, who are you gonna turn to next time instead of me? Another angel? Another vampire? Do you have any idea what it feels like to watch your brother just...
Hold on. You seriously think that? Because none of it is true. But Sammy, come on. I killed Biddy to save you. I'm willing to let this bastard and all the sons of bitches that killed Mom walk because of you. Don't you dare think that there is anything, past or present, that I would put in front of you. It has never been like that, ever. I need you to see that. I'm begging you.
How do I stop?
Just let it go.
I can't. It's in me, Dean. You don't know what this feels like.
Hey, listen. We will figure it out, okay? Just like we always do. Come on. Come on. Let it go, okay? Let it go, brother.
Hey.
See? Sam? I can't take that risk, not with Sammy on the hook now. If there's a chance that I can save him, I'm gonna do it.
And then maybe
Maybe what?
maybe I can be saved.